Other than that, I have no complaints with the machine whatsoever. It is absolutely silent. I'll turn on the head. I can't get enough of that sound. Thing just sounds sweet. I just can't get enough. We'll look at it. It's an impressive machine. But to have something like that, you have to spend a lot of money. Now those power heads on the other hand, you just can't get enough of that sound. 1 minute and you're hooked for life. Hear that? That is the Filter Queen signature sound. Winding down, that is their sound. I can't get enough of that sound, man. I can't get enough of that sound, man. I can't get enough of that sound, man.